Okay, this is to show you how to send a quote request. This one has been created as an order, as a proxy quote request. So the first thing you want to do, you'll see the status is on hold. So it needs to be changed from there to quote. So change the quote status, and that will let you then send, because it's send the actual quote from here, which automates it so they can pay online. So once that's updated, you'll then see that it's now, the status is quote. Now, if you're using just the quote request, it'll be quote anyway. But what you'll see now is you can send the quote. So you can add a note. You can send a copy of this email to the admin once you've added the prices, and it'll send it to the customer. So I'll show you how to do that. Add items, click this button. We want to add shipping in this example, but you can add more products and do whatever you like. So we're just going to go add shipping, put your mouse over, see this little pencil, it'll come up, just use shipping. The price, I'm just going to use an example, so it's $50. You have to enter the GST, so we know the GST or the tax is $5 on that, and then click save and you'll see all of the GST and the totals are updated. So the GST has gone to 74 and the shipping is 50, so that's fine. So I'm ready to send this quote to the customer, and I want them to be able to accept it by paying for it online. If I wanted to add more, I can add, a fee if there's a packing fee or insurance or whatever you want. And then once you've saved that, you just come over here, and this is going to send this email to the customer. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So right here, you can add a custom note. There is a part, and I'm not going to cover it in this video, where you can add a stock standard note to the top of the order. But here, this is just, hi John, whatever. Here's the quote. The best way to get it to you is TNT, fastest, whatever. Copy to admin. Now I'm going to send the quote. So I'm done this with my own account, so I'll be able to show you exactly what the customer gets. So there we go, the quote's been sent. It's also in the orders. I didn't show you that, but you can look in the order notes and you'll see. And here's the email. So there's the custom note at the top. You just can't quite see it that we added. There's the shipping, everything's fine, and then the quote. So the quote's only invalid until the 24th of the 5th, so it tells them how long. To accept this quote, please use the link below to pay online. So pay online now, click that, takes them straight through to the website where they can pay for their order. They can use all of the available payment options, and it's done. It's simplified. It's just simple. One click for them, one click for you, and the quote's done. So that's it. Thanks.